Hello Odoers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to create or link the repair order from the CRM form using this our Dev repair from CRM via CRM module. You can see here our module Dev repair from CRM. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to CRM, leads, go to any leads like design software info. And see here this button create repair order, click on, select any product like local delivery, set quantity, UM, add customer like deco addict, add text like sales, and add here parts, add products like a large cabinet, set source, destination location, quantity, unit of measures and unit price. Now click on this create repair order. So see here now linked is repair order with this leads. Click on. So see here customer deco addict, repair, local delivery, quantity, and selected part is displayed here. Thank you.